Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to remove and replace headlight, or just how to remove a headlight on a BMW E90 model. We'll show you how to do that now. Unfortunately you will have to remove the bumper cover, so stay with us. We're going to go ahead, do that now, and then we will go back to removing the headlight. So we need to open the hood guys, and first thing that you will notice is actually the last things that we're going to remove. Those 4 bolts will be the last things we're going to remove right here. This one, this, all 4 with T30. If you have the washers guys, you will need to disconnect those before removing the bumper. Okay, so what you will need to do, you just pry them up, okay, with a plastic tube, or even if you're very careful you can do it with a screwdriver, and you need to take the cover off. Okay, like that, and you just let go. Okay, you can see it goes in those 2 slots on this side, 2 on the other. So we're going to do the same thing right here now, and those are very tight, so you have to be careful. Okay, this one is out as well, and you just let them go. Those are the covers, make sure you don't break those. Alright guys, so we're on the driver's side, left side of the vehicle. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, and there will be 8mm screw that you need to remove with 8mm socket, and there is one more there, you can see right there. Alright guys, and that one right there now, the second one, just the same like the first one, as you can see. And we need to go on the other side later and remove those 2 as well, but since we are here already, there is a couple more that we need to remove guys, and it's 2 of them. Trying to get the best shot that we can. Right here we have 2 more with 8mm, this one right here, and one towards the front right there. Okay, those are the screws right there that we're talking about. Okay, one is out, and then this one towards the back, towards the wheel. And those are not even tight at all, we're just doing them even by hand. Okay, second one right there. The E46 was easier to remove than this one. Okay, and you can see it's loose on this side. So now we need to go ahead and go on the other side and do the same procedure there. So now we're on the other side guys, and we turn the steering wheel all the way to the right now. And of course we need to remove those 2 with the 8mm socket. Okay, one is out, and we have one more that's on top. Okay, that one right there. Okay, just like that. And now we need to pull the fender liner out of there again, so we can reach the 2 more that are holding the bumper towards, towards the fender bracket there. And it will be very hard to show you here. And you can do that without removing the wheels guys. You don't even need to jack up the car, you can do it that way. Okay, so we remove that one and the other one as well out of here, both of them. Okay, got them out. You can see in the bumper came loose on this side as well. So we accomplished so much so far, so we needed to do a few more things under the car. Okay, that's what we're doing now, and it's easier if you jack it up, but you can do it that way too. So let me show you what we're going to do now. Alright guys, so now under the vehicle there is 7 screws with 8mm socket. Okay, one here all the way around the bumper. Okay, 2 so far, 3. Okay, right there. And there will be one in the corner there. Okay, this one. So far we removed 4. And we still have 3 more towards the other side. Okay, and that's the last one. We are actually missing two. Somebody didn't install them, you can see, because the bumper cover is cracked on the bottom. Somebody even painted it the way it is on the car. I don't know how people can do that, but they do it. It's loose now on the bottom, guys. Alright guys, now we need to remove these bolts right here. Okay, you need to be holding the bumper to make sure it doesn't fall for some reason. Okay, with the T30, we're going to go ahead and remove them. Okay, almost there. Now you need to grab it, guys. Okay, you need to pull it out of the headlight like that on this side, and you need to do the same thing on the other side. We have the wires. Okay, the wires for the, now you can see, for the fog lights. So what I'm going to go ahead, I'll actually just remove the bulb and then I'll mess with it because it's easier. And we have one on the other side there. That's what we're doing there as well. Okay, and that's the bumper cover, guys, right here. Alright guys, we removed the bumper cover. Now we're ready to remove the headlight. We have 3 bolts, I think, with the T30. Okay, one is hidden right there, that's why you need to remove the bumper cover. Otherwise it's impossible to remove it. Okay, just like that, T30. We have 2 on top right here that we'll need to take care of. And be careful, and ours are even broken, as you can see. So you have to be careful not to break those. Okay, and this one, okay, ours is completely lost there. And then we need to remove these 2 right here, again with the T30. It's a little bit complicated how they did that. Alright guys, and right behind the headlight towards the wheel, trying to get some light. Okay, right here there is another bolt with a T30. Okay, that one. So we're going to go ahead and remove that one. Now once we remove it exactly, we'll show you where it is, so you know what to expect. Not much room to deal with it. If you have the tire off, it will give you more room. Okay, you're almost getting the bolt out of there now. It's just the same like the other ones. Okay, like that. And now we should be able to pull it out with the whole bracket. One thing, we have the hoses here. Okay, so you need to make sure it's out of the way. Okay, almost out of the way here, which is pretty stuck. And you can pull it a little bit to the side, and now we have one bolt, okay, right there. Okay, this one that holds the headlight towards the mount. We have the washers on those headlights, so that's why it makes it very inconvenient to remove those, because you have to disconnect the hoses and everything if you want to do it right. Okay, let's see if we have anything else. And that's all. All we have to do is disconnect the wire now, right here. Okay, now that that's the wires for the headlight, you need to squeeze right here. Okay, both sides, and it will come out. And this is, guys, the headlight right here. So it's not easy. It's not easy to remove it, but it's not that complicated either. It's just a little bit time consuming. If you have the washers for the headlights, it's more complicated like we do. If not, you can pull the whole bracket out of the way, which is super convenient. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and let us know if the video was helpful. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.